Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you would be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing the new commodity milk fragrances. I picked up the original milk and I also picked up the milk expressive. They also have a milk bold, but these were the two that I was more so interested in looking at the notes. So we're gonna talk about this first one. This is, it says scent space personal for me and the few that I allow close. So in my head, that means this is not going to be a beast mode fragrance. It's not going to project really well when I hear that, when I see that. But to me, it actually projects really well on me. I do have them both on my arms today, so I'm going to be smelling for these a time or two, so I get to give you all of my thoughts. So this one, so the main accords are woody, powdery, musky, sweet, lactonic, and amber. Top notes of marshmallow and milk. Middle notes of musk, white cedar, and base notes of woodsy notes and amber. When I read those notes, anything with marshmallow, you can bet that I'm gonna try it. I have to say, I love the opening on this. You get so much of that milky marshmallow note. It's so lactonic and sweet. I love it so bad. It's so beautiful. When it dries down, you do get a little bit of like the cedar and the woodsy notes mixed in, but it's still a very pretty scent. It does smell like something, but I cannot think of exactly what it smells like. I have wore this and layered it and paired it with other things to help it last a little bit more. Because like I said, this one is not supposed to be a big projector, but the way I wear it, it wears well on me. So I feel like if you do have this one and you can't get it to do what you want it to do, just pair it with some other lotions or oils or something like that, and you will be able to get the best bang out of it. This is one that I actually have been contemplating on picking up. As you all know, Sephora I don't know if it's still going on by the time this video go up, but they did have another 20% off for all members. And I have been contemplating on purchasing this, but I have not pulled the trigger because, you know, it's Christmas and then my daughter's birthday is 3 days after Christmas. So yeah, but I do like this a lot. I am going to keep wearing it and seeing how much I like it. By the time I finish with this bottle, I should know if I want to actually dive in and go ahead and purchase. But this is beautiful. This to me, I don't feel like this one is as hyped as this one, but I like this one a lot. Okay, so moving on to Expressive, and this is the commodity milk Expressive. So the main accords are sweet, woody, powdery, musky, vanilla, aromatic, amber, and lactonic. Top notes of milk, middle notes of marshmallow and natural musk, and base notes of tonka bean and mahogany. Now, looking at the notes and comparing them side by side, I just knew this was going to be my favorite. Like, I love tonka bean, I love marshmallow. Like, they have a lot of the same notes, except, you know, a few here and there, but the main notes are marshmallow and milk. So I just knew this was going to be my favorite. So when you first spray it, again, the opening is really pretty. I get a lot of the milkiness in the marshmallow. Like, spraying them both, they almost smell identical when you first spray them, but to me the difference is the dry down. This I wouldn't buy. I'm not gonna buy this. I know people love it. I don't like it. Honestly, I would love both of them to stay like the beginning. If they both stayed like the beginning, no questions asked, I will have them both. But because of the dry down on them, I'm kind of like, do you need it? Do you want it? Do you need it? This one, like the opening is so good. It's so much more loud and prominent, and it's bold. It's there. It is there. But to me, once it starts drying down, I don't know if it's the musky or mahogany. I don't know what that little mahogany. I don't like it. I don't like it. It smells weird and woodsy and just kind of like is really woody. Like this one to me smells way more woody than this one. So for me, the dry down kind of threw it off. Like I had been smelling it and smelling it and smelling it, and I'm like, oh yes, even I'm smelling it now. It smells so good. But by the time it sits, because I had already sprayed them before I started this video and let them sit on my skin for a little bit. So when I smelled it before I resprayed it, I was like, yeah, that's the reason why I don't like it. I don't like the dry down of this one. So honestly, I'm not gonna take it back, but this is not for me, not whatsoever. It's too woody. It's too woody. Like the whole milky marshmallowness is just completely gone, and I despise it. I don't like it. I don't know. Nope. I was so thoroughly disappointed because I just knew this was gonna be a buy. Like, but no thank you. I don't want it. So, in my opinion, I think they both open very similar, but to me the dry down is completely different. So if you like a good woody base, you will love this one. I see so many people on here loving this one. I hardly hear anyone speak about the original. I like the original way better. It's just way softer. And then something, this, I don't know, it gives me woodiness, like woody forest on my arm. I don't like it at all. I wonder, now these are unisex fragrances, so I wonder if this would smell a little bit better on a man, but for me, I don't like it at all. So I would just recommend this one, me personally, but I recommend you go. I think you should go in a store, spray these on your skin, walk around a little bit, or just buy travel size, because if these notes are not notes that you wear all the time or that you know you absolutely love, I don't think this would be a safe blind buy, because it just turns into something completely different. So I'm not going to take it back, but I'm probably going to sell it like on Mercari or something. Yeah, nope, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm trying to get back in the swing of things of filming, and yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.